Are there things that UK can learn from the kind of research activities you saw going on there?
Well, much of what they do is, much of Texas is in the energy business. Obviously, oil and gas is huge down there. We heard a lot about a huge new gas reserve that has just been identified not far from there. And so a lot of their energy research is vital to their area. And it